Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI for freelancing work. To get started, open your browser and search for Claude AI login. From the search results, click the official Claude sign-in page and log into your account. Make sure you are using the correct website so you can access all of Claude's tools safely and without confusion. Once you are signed in, look to the left side of the screen and click New Chat. This opens a fresh workspace where you can begin giving instructions. Starting with a new chat is helpful because it keeps your task focused, especially when you are working on a specific freelance project for writing, research, content planning, or other client work. In the chat box, type the content or request you want help with. This could be writing content, brainstorming ideas, outlining a blog post, polishing website copy, or organizing project details. The key here is to be clear with what you want. Claude works best when your request gives enough direction for the task. Next, click into the message area that says to tell Claude what you need and be as specific as possible. This is especially important for freelancing work because the quality of the output often depends on how detailed your instructions are. For example, if you need help with writing, mention the tone, audience, and format. If your project is for a blog or website, describe the goal clearly so Claude can respond in a more useful way. After that, go to the side menu and click Projects, then choose New Project. This is a useful way to organize ongoing freelance work. Projects can help you keep related conversations, materials, and ideas in one place, which makes it easier to stay organized when handling multiple assignments. You can also click Artifacts in the side menu. This area is helpful when Claude generates content in a more structured format, making it easier to review and work with longer or more detailed outputs. If your freelancing work involves coding, Claude can also help with code. You can use it to generate code, review logic, or assist with technical tasks. This can be useful for developers, website freelancers, or anyone handling basic coding work as part of a project. Overall, Claude can support many types of freelance work in one place, including writing, blog content, website tasks, and coding support. The most important tip is to stay clear and specific with your instructions so you can get better, more relevant results and work more efficiently.